Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today we're just going to be making a simple card here, just using some like strips and squares of paper and some stickers from the Dollar Tree. I thought that would be something fun to do for this video. But first I want to show you these die sets that I got from Amazon. I think it's a great deal, so I want to show you guys. I'll link them underneath the video here in the description box if anybody's interested in any of these. So this first set here I got, these are like really pretty to make like borders and things on your cards. And this set is a 6-piece set. It was $13.99. If any of you guys like shop at like Michael's, Hobby Lobby or anything and look at these metal cutting dies, you'll know what a great deal this is. But the first one here is this really pretty, it'll cut out a really nice rose. I haven't had a chance to even use some of these yet, but I figured while these are at this price, I wanted to tell you guys how you could get these or where you could get these. But anyway, I thought that one was really, really pretty. And you know, you use your little Sizzix die cutting machines or whatever to cut these out. This one has like a dragonfly, and I'm trying to get the glare off of here, and all kinds of pretty flowers and things. And then this one here has some birds and butterflies, and I'll show you one here that I did one of these on here. This one I thought was real pretty. It's kind of like a butterfly and just some swirly designs. And this actually is the one I did use. This one says Happy Birthday. Where is the one I did? Here it is. And all I did was I just cut this out with a piece of pink paper, and I just put it on this, and it fits perfect on a 4 by 5.5 inch card. And I always get these pre-made cards at Michael's when they're on sale, you know, because it comes with the envelopes and it's a pretty good deal. And then I just added some of these little sticky pearl dots here from Dollar Tree, and I just put a row up there, and then I just stuck a couple in on the flowers, and that's it. You have a beautiful little card with just that, if that's all you want to do. But I just wanted to try that one out. So that is that one, and then this other one here is these really, really pretty flowers. So I will try and get all the links put down here for all of these. And now this next set here, this is, which one I want to show you first here? This one, because I already used one out of here that I tried. Now this is actually a 32-piece set, and it was $12.99. Now this is what all comes with this set. It comes with all of these little square frames. Now actually the card that I'm going to be making today, I used 2 of these little frames to cut out my little squares with, but you could just cut them out on a paper cutter if you don't have the dies. But you get all those different sizes there of that, and then you have these really pretty round ones with the scalloped edge, and that's actually what I used to make this card. I just cut a bigger size out with the white and then the pink, and this is actually one of the stickers from Crafter's Square that I used on here, and I just put one of those pretty roses in the middle there. And I love this paper. This came out, one of my paper pads, I don't know, but I just love this stuff. I only have a little bit of it left. But I put that in the background, and then I just had one of my little die cuts. This is Happy Birthday. And this I just did with strips of paper too. And I thought that was real pretty. And I didn't put anything on the inside yet because I'm not quite sure who this is going to go to. So I'll leave that until another time. But that is what I did with those. Now that card, this one is a, I did write my sizes down here somewhere. This is a 5 by 7 card. So this one's a little bit bigger than the one we're going to work on here today. Or did I do that one for a 5 by 7? I think I did. Alright, so that came in this set. And let me move this little guy out of the way. Yeah, this is the one I used for that card. And then it came with these pretty flower dies that you could cut out to make different things. And it comes with the butterflies. And I'll probably use these for some future cards. And then it also comes with all of these different sized hearts. So I thought this was a great set. You can make all kinds of things with these. So let me set that one aside. That's another set that I just got. I just got all these last week. I just haven't had a chance to sit and mess around with too many. Now this set here is a 34-piece set, and it was $15.99. And let me see where the opening is here. I haven't even opened these yet. Is this it? There we go. And now these come with more like the oval shapes, and you get all those different sizes. And this is how they all come if you haven't used these before. You just kind of, they're all held together by a little teeny wee piece of metal, and you just twist these and they all pop apart. And here's another square set. I think this one actually has some smaller sizes than the other one that I have. And it makes this really cool stitch pattern around it too. And this one is just all different sizes of circles that you could layer different colors of paper. And this, I've never had one of these. It's more like a triangle. And you get all those different sizes. And then you also have some of these rectangles in all different sizes. So many of them. And one of these days I need to sit and just pop all these apart. So that was that set. And I thought that would be really great. And then the other set that I got was just balloons. Now these were $7.19, but I really wanted to have these. You can make all these different size balloons to cut out, to make like birthday cards or whatever. You could even put pictures in them, whatever you wanted to. So I thought that was really cool too. And they're all held together with that little piece of metal. But I just want to share with you guys, because I thought these were a really good price for all the pieces that you get. So I'll try to remember to link all those under the video here. Alright, so let me set these little guys over here out of the way. Put this one here that we made the other day. Yeah, there's nothing to it. All I did was strips of paper, one of those little cutouts, and put a happy birthday on there, and that's it. It's just so easy to make a pretty card. Alright, so for this one, I already cut this stuff out. This paper pad, I got this paper pad, I believe I got it at Tuesday morning, which I missed terribly. All of our Tuesday morning stores closed in my area. There is not one within 200 miles of here. So, very sad about that. But I picked up this, it's a Recollections pad, and you can find these at Michael's Hobby Lobby, and the best place to look is in their clearance section, because a lot of times you'll find some good deals. And this is the thinner paper, but it just has all these great different prints of paper in here that you make all kinds of cards with. I'm going to be using this one here. I already cut the piece out. Whoops. Let me put you back here. Stay. I wanted you to sit there and look pretty. I already cut some of these papers out. So all I did was I take one of these cards. Actually, these cards, these are 5x7s. And I actually found this pack of cards at the thrift store. They're getting a little faded here or whatever. I don't know how old these things are or where they came from, but you can get these at Michael's Hobby Lobby too. And just look for them like when they're on sale. But I found a lot of great stuff at the thrift store as far as crafting. So we're going to be using one of those, and in here I already did stamp in my happy birthday. I like to do that first because if you're going to stamp it right in the card, you could actually do it on a different piece of paper. But there's nothing worse than spending a half an hour working on a pretty card and then you go to stamp it, and like I do a lot of times, it's just the stamp slips out of your hands or you smear it or something, and then it's pretty much ruined. So anyway, I like to do that first, and I also used my little Totally Handmade stamp. I love this little guy. I want to color him in too, to put on the back, but that's just for fun. Alright, so these are the 5x7s. Now I cut these little strips of paper out here that I'm going to use. Now this I just made 1/4 of an inch smaller all the way around because I like to kind of have like a frame, and I wanted to use this paper, so that'll leave just this nice little frame of the white behind this color, and I thought this would be fun for this birthday card. Then I'm just going to use a strip of white. Doesn't matter what size you want to use. I'm just going to kind of run this down here, and then I'll show you how we're going to put this together. And then I used those little die cuts to cut out 2 different size, one white and one in the paper that I'm using for the background. And then I want to use these stickers. These are from Dollar Tree. They have all kinds of cool stickers. You can tell which ones are really old because they have a different packaging now. These are old. I've had these quite a long time. But they have lots of stickers and things that you can use from Dollar Tree, which makes it really, really simple to make cards. So I cut all that out here on my handy dandy cutter, and all I'm going to do is tape these together. Now where did I put my, there it is. These are just not going to cooperate sitting here, are they? No, you don't want to stay? Alright, so we're going to use this one. I thought this would be cute. I want to use this in that little square on the front. And I'm going to use some of this tape here. This I actually ordered on Amazon too. I think I got 5 rolls. I don't remember how much it cost. But this double-sided tape is really strong. It works really good. I'll try to remember to link that below too if anybody wants to look that up. I mean, if you have a whole bunch of these little tape runners or something, it's much easier, but this is so much cheaper if you use these little guys. Alright, so first I want to put on my background piece here. And I mean, it's up to you guys. You can make these as fancy or as unfancy as you want to. So you just put on some of this double-sided tape here, and I always end up with some sort of fur stuck in my tape, or hair. As you guys know, I got so many animals running around here. Ugh, what is on this one? Why? Alright. I just put this down on here real quick. And this is great too, because if you put this down and then you want to, I just rip it with my finger now. You could cut them off. I don't take the backs off. That way you can kind of lay everything together and see where you want it. But it rips pretty easy. This one I don't want hanging over, because we're going to end up with sticky hanging over. Let me cut that off. There we go. And I'll put another piece up here. And maybe I'll put a piece down the center. Why not? Just for good luck. Alright, now, with any luck, these are not going to give me a hard time, because sometimes I have a hard time peeling them off. That's what happens when you don't have any long fingernails. There we go. But I already measured these out, so I think I'm just gonna, no, I'll put the whole thing down. We'll take a chance here. Just peel the backing off of here and you have all your tape on here. Like I said, the tape runner's so much more convenient, but this is just such a better deal price-wise for this stuff. Yeah, I don't know where I got that stuck on something. Alright. Make sure I got this right side up here, and then I'm just going to eyeball this here and hope we get it on right. Close enough. Yeah, I don't know what this got stuck on. It had, none of my animals are in my craft drum, except little P that I bring in here, and that was definitely not a feather. Okay. But this is, it's just going to be a simple little card. I'm going to take a piece of this white, and I think I want this like over here on the side. So let me, I just usually mark these with my fingernail. And I'm just going to cut that off real quick like. There we go. And then this is going to go right here. Actually, just for time's sake, I'm going to use this little tape runner here from Dollar Tree. Put a couple lines of tape down this thing. See what I mean? Tape runner's so much quicker. But I'm just going to put this off to the side here a little bit. No, don't stick yet. I'm not ready. Alright, and then we're going to put this down. I think I'm going to put this like maybe right there. So I want to leave enough room. What did I do with those stickers? Oh, they're in my arm. Okay, that should be good right there. So put that piece on there, and then this one's going to go right on the top. Like so, and then I'm going to take these stickers out of here. You could have so much fun with these stickers. Everybody always asks me, what do you do with all your stickers? Well, this is my plan, and now that I'm finally getting back into making cards, I might actually get some of these used. Now this is a pop-up sticker, and I don't want this part to pop up, so I'm going to try to get this off the back here, if I can. If not, well, it's going to be popped up. And you know what? It's not coming off very easy, so we're just going to tape that on there just as it is. Some of this tape on here, and we'll stick this little guy right in here. That looks pretty cool with the pop-up sticker. Well, the bottom's going to pop up, so we might as well have the top. This says for you, and then we're going to take this birthday cake, and I want to put that down here by the bottom. Oh, that came off pretty easy. So I thought that would look pretty down here. Just a fun little card. And then over here we can add some of these other little cutesy stickers that are on here. Put a star up here. And let's see, what else do we want to use? Why don't we put this popped up candle down here? Maybe we'll make this one go across. A little candle, and let's see, what else do we want to do? That's too big. Maybe the presents would look cute over there. There we go. And I think that's adorable. Just the way it is. And you could add more stuff, less stuff, whatever stuff you want. But that's just so easy to make a card with this stuff from Dollar Tree. Now here's like a little flat one. It's not a pop-up sticker. Maybe I'll put that here on the inside. A little candle in there. And let's see, what else do we have here I might want to use? Those balloons would have been cute too, but I don't have room for those. Unless, no, let's not gaude it up here too much. Maybe I'll just add this other star on here. Up here, and then that's pretty much it for the flat stickers. These are pretty cool too. I wish these were all popped up stickers, but they're not. But needs something down here. Oh, we're going to make this more festive than I was planning on. I don't think I'm going to like that on there. Nope, 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 we're not doing it. Change my mind. Yeah, I wish I had one more little something. Anything of these other ones that I can use? Oh, maybe that star I could put on there just to fill in that little spot there, because now I don't feel that it's even. So let's rob from this set here. Put this little star down here. There we go. Now I feel like it's more even. Alright, but I figured I'd just do a simple little card today here. Just, you know, using some stickers and just some shapes, and there you go. Isn't that a cute card? I love it. But then, you know, you can get as fancy as you want. You can drag out your die cuts and do it like that with just, you know, strips of paper. That's all it is. And you always end up with so many of these little pieces of paper when you're making cards and things that are leftovers. I love that paper. I wish I could find some more of that. And then this is just the one with that other die cut that was so simple. That was all it was. Is I took this paper, the die cut, glued that on there, and added these things, and there you go. Yeah, this really pretty quick card if you need a card in the last minute. But that is it for today for my cards. We'll see what we come up with for next week. I want to get out some of my stamps and do those too, because they are so much fun to work with. But I'm going to end up getting my birthday card stash back up and running here. I will be all ready, because it seems like all the birthdays in our family and stuff just come really quick at different times of the year. There's none, and then all of a sudden there's like a ton of them, and you just can't keep up. So I'm going to try to get ahead of the game here making these cards. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone.